Imagine your body as a bustling city, and every cell within it as a vital building. At the heart of each building, powering everything from thought to movement, are tiny, indispensable power plants. These are your mitochondria. For too many of us, these cellular power plants are under constant silent sabotage. We feel perpetually drained, our vitality slowly eroding without understanding why. This isn't just a feeling of being tired, it's a fundamental breakdown at the cellular level. The consequence is a profound loss of energy, a diminished capacity for life, and a feeling of being constantly run down. This pervasive fatigue impacts every aspect of our physical and mental well-being. It's a crisis of cellular energy that affects millions. This video will reveal the hidden energy killers silently attacking your mitochondria. More importantly, we will uncover actionable solutions to repair the damage and reclaim your vibrant energy. Prepare to understand the true source of your vitality and how to protect it. So, what exactly are mitochondria? They are microscopic organelles residing within nearly every cell of your body. Often called the powerhouses of the cell, this analogy is incredibly accurate. Their primary function is to generate adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, which is the fundamental energy currency for all bodily functions. Every blink, every thought, every heartbeat, and every cellular repair process relies on ATP produced by your mitochondria. They are essential for life itself. However, these vital powerhouses are under constant threat from what we call hidden energy killers. These insidious factors attack mitochondria, compromising their structure and function. They are often overlooked in our daily lives. When mitochondria are attacked, their optimal function is severely impaired. This leads to a cascade of negative effects, manifesting as fatigue, brain fog, and a host of chronic health issues. Understanding these threats is the first step to recovery. Let's dive into the specific culprits silently draining your energy and sabotaging your mitochondria. These are the hidden enemies we must identify and confront. First on our list is a poor diet, a pervasive issue in modern society. Consuming excessive processed foods, refined sugars, and unhealthy fats places an enormous burden on your cellular machinery. These items are difficult for your body to process efficiently. This dietary overload forces your mitochondria to work overtime, struggling to convert low-quality fuel into usable energy. They become stressed and inefficient, much like an engine running on dirty fuel. This constant strain leads to significant cellular damage. The result is increased oxidative stress and inflammation, effectively rusting your cellular power plants. This damage impairs their ability to produce ATP, leaving you feeling depleted. Your diet directly dictates your cellular energy output. Next, consider the profound impact of insufficient sleep. Sleep is not merely a period of rest, it is a critical time for cellular repair and regeneration throughout your entire body. Without adequate sleep, these vital processes are severely disrupted. When you consistently skimp on sleep, your mitochondria cannot undergo their necessary maintenance and repair cycles. This directly hinders their function and significantly reduces their capacity for energy production. You wake up feeling tired because your cells haven't fully recharged. Chronic sleep deprivation leaves your mitochondria vulnerable and inefficient. It's like trying to run a power plant without ever shutting it down for essential upkeep. The cumulative effect is a profound and persistent energy deficit. Chronic stress is another major hidden energy killer, often underestimated in its physical impact. When you experience prolonged stress, your body releases a flood of cortisol, the primary stress hormone. This hormonal surge is meant for short-term survival. However, sustained high levels of cortisol directly harm your mitochondria. It can damage their delicate membranes and interfere with their metabolic pathways. This makes them less efficient at converting nutrients into energy. This impairment means your mitochondria struggle to produce the ATP needed for daily functions. Even when you're not actively stressed, the lingering effects of chronic cortisol exposure can leave you feeling perpetually exhausted. Stress literally saps your cellular power. Our modern environment exposes us to a myriad of toxins that are silent mitochondrial assassins. Pollutants in the air, heavy metals in our food and water, and various chemicals in household products all pose a threat. These substances are pervasive and often unavoidable. These environmental toxins directly damage mitochondria, interfering with their enzyme systems and electron transport chain. They can cause mutations in mitochondrial DNA, further compromising their function. The damage is often cumulative. The outcome is widespread cellular dysfunction, as mitochondria struggle to perform their energy-generating duties. This toxic burden contributes significantly to chronic fatigue and a host of other health problems. Minimizing exposure is crucial for cellular health. Finally, a sedentary lifestyle deprives your mitochondria of essential stimulation. Our bodies are designed for movement, and physical activity plays a critical role in maintaining cellular health. Lack of exercise sends the wrong signals to your cells. Without regular physical activity, your body doesn't signal the need for robust mitochondrial function. This leads to a reduction in both the number and efficiency of your mitochondria. They become smaller and less capable of producing energy. A sedentary existence essentially tells your cells that less energy is required, causing your mitochondrial network to atrophy. This directly contributes to feelings of sluggishness and low energy levels. Movement is a fundamental requirement for mitochondrial vitality. Now that we've identified the hidden energy killers, let's explore the powerful, actionable solutions to revitalize your mitochondria and reclaim your energy. These strategies are within your reach. Prioritize a diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods to fuel your mitochondria optimally. Emphasize nutrient-dense fruits and vegetables, which provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These compounds protect your cells from damage. Include healthy fats like those found in avocados, olive oil, and nuts. These fats are crucial for mitochondrial membrane integrity and efficient energy production. They provide a clean, sustained energy source. Incorporate lean proteins from sources like fish, poultry, and legumes. Protein provides the amino acid building blocks necessary for mitochondrial repair and growth. A balanced diet is the foundation of cellular health. These nutritional choices provide the necessary building blocks and antioxidants to support robust mitochondrial health. They help your power plants run cleanly and efficiently, reducing oxidative stress. Make quality sleep a non-negotiable priority in your daily routine. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restorative sleep nightly to allow your body and cells to fully repair and regenerate. This is when your mitochondria recharge. Establish a consistent sleep schedule, going to bed and waking up at roughly the same time each day, even on weekends. This regulates your circadian rhythm, optimizing sleep quality. Consistency is key for deep rest. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. This might include reading, a warm bath, or gentle stretching. Minimize screen time before bed to improve melatonin production. Implement effective stress management techniques to protect your mitochondria from cortisol's damaging effects. Practices like meditation and yoga can significantly reduce stress levels. Even a few minutes daily can make a difference. Spending time in nature has been shown to lower cortisol and promote a sense of calm. Engage in hobbies or activities that bring you joy and help you unwind. Prioritize self-care to mitigate chronic stress. By actively managing stress, you reduce the hormonal burden on your mitochondria. This allows them to function more efficiently and recover from previous damage. Your mental state directly impacts your cellular energy. Take proactive steps to minimize your exposure to environmental toxins. Choose organic foods whenever possible to reduce pesticide intake. Wash all produce thoroughly, regardless of its origin. Filter your drinking water to remove heavy metals, chlorine, and other contaminants. Invest in a good quality water filter for your home. Clean water is fundamental for cellular detoxification. Be mindful of the products you use in your home, opting for natural, non-toxic cleaning supplies and personal care items. Reduce your exposure to plastics and synthetic fragrances. Every small reduction helps your mitochondria. Embrace regular physical activity to stimulate mitochondrial biogenesis, the creation of new mitochondria. Both cardiovascular exercise and strength training are beneficial. Find activities you enjoy to ensure consistency. Cardio, like brisk walking, jogging, or cycling, improves mitochondrial efficiency and endurance. Strength training builds muscle, which is rich in mitochondria, further boosting your energy capacity. Consistency is more important than intensity. Regular movement signals to your body that more energy is needed, prompting your cells to produce more and healthier mitochondria. This is a direct pathway to increased vitality and resilience. While foundational lifestyle changes are paramount, certain targeted supplements can support mitochondrial function. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. They can guide you on appropriate dosages and combinations. Examples include CoQ10, which is vital for the electron transport chain, and PQQ, known for promoting mitochondrial growth. L-carnitine helps transport fatty acids into mitochondria for energy production. These can provide an extra boost. These supplements are not a magic bullet, but can be powerful allies when combined with a healthy lifestyle. They provide specific nutrients that mitochondria need to thrive. The path to reclaiming your energy and vitality begins with understanding and addressing these hidden energy killers. Your mitochondria are the key to your overall health and well-being. They are not just power plants, they are the very essence of your cellular life. By implementing the nutritional, sleep, stress management, toxin reduction, and movement strategies discussed, you can unlock new levels of vitality. You will feel more alert, more focused, and more capable of engaging with life. This is not just about feeling better, it's about living better. The result is improved overall health, enhanced cognitive function, and a significant increase in your daily energy levels. Imagine waking up feeling truly refreshed and ready to tackle your day. This is the power of mitochondrial health. Start your journey today to a healthier, more energetic you. Take control of your cellular power plants and watch your entire life transform. Your body will thank you.